Hi guys, it's me again, Balay. So, it's 12:15 here in St. Cloud, Minnesota, and my husband's leaving right now because he has a meeting. So, I was thinking to make a dinner, Filipino food dinner for my husband. So, I will try to make nilaga tonight. So yeah, we went to Asian store yesterday and I found, we got this banana because I really miss banana. So, ipares og ginamos and also kana ang pati suka. So yep, just only $3, but it really kuan kanang sani lahi ka siya og shape sa kuan sa Philippines nga banana. And we got also kuan butig. I don't know what do you call this in other kuan kanang in other words, but we call it butig. So I will prepare this for tonight. And yeah, this one I don't know how much is this because my husband is just only paying this. And I'm also planning to make lumpia for next week. So hopefully I can make it. And yeah, this is just like a normal life for me. And it's very cold here in Minnesota. It's very cold here in Minnesota. Like, yeah, I'm wearing a jacket. I did not even wear a jacket in the Philippines because it's very hot. So here in Minnesota, I think I changed my lifestyle here. So, change my clothes. There's a lot of adjustment, changing, especially sa ako ang kana inugsolo because in the Philippines, I'm wearing like spaghetti, short, but here, outside, you can't wear any spaghetti or short. Yep, so 8 days pamina diri, but still adjusting sa weather. Yeah, look at the view. Ang view sa gawas is kuan kanda ang init siya tan-awon pero inigawas mo bugnaw gihapon siya. It's very cold outside, especially if kuan kanang ang wind niya kay kusog kayo. So kana kuan siya bugnaw gihapon kay siya. So yep, since I didn't have any plan today, or we didn't have plan today, so I'm trying to make video. I'm trying to make a video for my YouTube channel, and I hope you like my videos, subscribe and share. So this is my first time to make a video on my YouTube channel. Second video rather. And I don't know if I can make it because I am afraid on other people what to say because my English is not good and I'm not really good in doing a video. So yep. So yeah, because we miss Filipino food, so we got pancit canton. So my son is looking for a pancit canton, so we got pancit canton and also the donuts. So that would be our lunch for now, and I'll be making nilaga or nilatan in Bisaya tonight for us. So yeah, it's very kanang hilom or very silent outside. So it's new for me. It's really new for me. Like I didn't even see any people outside. There's no people coming outside just to play or just to trying to make a goose hip to everybody. So yeah, it's really different here when you are living in America. But yeah, I'm happy living here in America. I'm happy living here with my husband and my son. I really like here because my husband is treating me so well. And yep, so guys, please like my YouTube channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you have any more questions, if you have any more suggestions, just comment down below. Bye guys.